Grow your business revenue this year with these 5 free resources. If your goal in 2021 is to grow your business's revenue, which is probably a pretty good goal to have, you've got a few options on how to do that. You could increase your email outreach, incorporate better graphics into your website, or adopt a new, more straightforward invoicing system. There are plenty of good, paid resources to accomplish these tasks, but why pay for something when you can get it for free? Here are 5 great, free resources that can help you, directly or indirectly, grow your business revenue this year. Free Invoice Generator, the name says it all. If you struggle with sending clean, professional invoices out to clients, it might be time to find a new invoicing system. One good option is Free Invoice Generator, which is probably one of the most accurate website names of all time. It's a free, no-frills invoice generator that comes with a surprising number of features to help you get invoices out to clients quickly, which should help you get paid more quickly as a result. LogoCreator.io, free logo creation if your company's logo needs some refreshing, or if you need a logo altogether, you have a few options. You could pay a graphic designer to do it for you, but you can do it yourself for free at LogoCreator.io. They have dozens of templates that are organized by industry, so you can create a logo that stands out from the competition while still living up to your customers' expectations. Create a clean, professional logo today with Logo Creator. Canva, free image editing and creation. Good graphics can positively impact your business revenue by improving your website's metrics, encouraging visitors to make purchases, and increasing brand exposure. One tool that lets you manipulate images is Canva. It offers a huge number of features for free, and it's one of the best known and most highly regarded free photo editing sites out there. Grammarly, free proofreading plugin. In order to present a professional image to your customers, your communications have to be grammatically correct. Grammarly is one of the best free services for this because it goes beyond just being a spell checker. Even the free version is more aware of context than other typical spell checkers, and it will check your grammar and make sure you haven't misused commonly confused words. Don't let your writing get in the way of growing your business revenue. Install Grammarly on your web browser and let it check your content, your emails, and your social media posts. You can even download the app, so it checks text messages. With the paid version, you unlock new features like one of the best plagiarism checkers on the internet, as well as edit suggestions to improve your clarity, engagement, and ease of reading. SendGrid, free business emailing. Emails are an important part of a marketing plan, and they've been shown to have the best ROI of almost any other type of marketing. Take advantage of the power of email marketing by using SendGrid, a service that's been used by the likes of eBay, Foursquare, and Strava. It can help you cut through the constant noise cluttering people's inboxes and form a genuine connection with your customers. The free version lets you send 100 emails a day forever, and it comes with some great features: free optimization tools, analytics, and access to an excellent web support team. Don't let your emails get sent to the dreaded trash folder. Try out SendGrid instead. Using any one of these free resources can help your company grow its revenue this year. Using a combination of them can help you tackle multiple problems at once, build on previous success, and have an even greater impact on your bottom line. Try them out today.